Hi, my name is Tim with OS College, and this is your LibreOffice tip of the day, and it is Linux Mint Thursday. Today we will be looking at alternatives to using tab stops for listed items in LibreOffice Writer. And one of those ways suggested by the Document Foundation is to use a borderless table instead of tabs. As you can see here, I've got different dog breeds in tabs, so they're very unevenly spaced when you hit the tab. Now I could even these out by by inserting tab stops on the ruler, but I could also use, as I just mentioned, the borderless table, and I'm just going to paste in a table that I've already created, and it has the same dog breeds in it, but it has borders. So, and when you're in edit mode in a document, regardless of whether your table has borders or not, they're still going to show up. So when you look at this right now in print mode, you can see that there are borders, and they're faint, but you can see them that they will show up when the document is printed or exported to a PDF. I'm going to click in one of the cells here, and there's several ways to come up with the table properties dialog on the table dialog. I'm just going to use the right click menu, and I'm going to go down table properties, and this launches the table properties dialog, and it's already set to the borders tab, but for you it may start out on a different tab, and you just need to click the borders tab, and all you need to do is click the set no borders and then click the OK button, and on screen in edit mode it's going to show these borders as being grayed out, but when you look at the print preview, the borders in the borders pretty much are not there, and that will be the same also if you're using this in a PDF. And that is your LibreOffice tip of the day on Linux Mint Thursday. Every day, LibreOffice creates a new video about a different LibreOffice application on a different operating system. Today, it was done on Linux Mint. To learn more about LibreOffice, visit the OS College website or the LibreOffice website. Both are in the description for this video. Thank you for watching.